Is your coolant reservoir bubbling? These are all great indicators that the head gaskets have left the chat. Is the truck hard starting, stalling, or even a no start? Pull a fuel sample and ensure there's no metal in the system. Moving on to the power stroke. Fords have issues depending on generation as well. As for the 6.7s, you still got that CP4 pump, so you need to be on the lookout. Look for or ask if they have a disaster prevention kit installed or a DCR conversion. They also have issues with the vacuum system. Look around the vacuum pump. Is it sweating or leaking? Hop in the truck and engage 4x4 to ensure that it engages as it should. They also commonly leak from the upper oil pan, which can be a very costly job to reseal. Crawl under and inspect if you have any oil leakage.